In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart your page numbers in Microsoft Word. There are times when you need the page numbering in a Word document to start over from 1 instead of continuing from the previous pages. This is useful when a document contains separate sections, such as a cover page, introduction, main content, or multiple chapters that each need their own numbering. To restart page numbers, first place your cursor at the beginning of the section where you want the numbering to start again. You need to create a new section, so Word can use a different page numbering format for that part of the document. Go to the Layout tab on the ribbon, then select Breaks. Under Section Breaks, choose Next Page. Word will create a new section starting on the next page. Now, go to the header or footer area of the new section where your page number is located. Double-click inside the header or footer to open the Header and Footer tools. When the Header and Footer tab appears, look for the Link to Previous option. Select it to turn it off. This separates the header or footer in the new section from the previous section, allowing you to control the page numbering independently. Next, select the Page Number option and choose Format Page Numbers. A dialog box will appear with several numbering options. Under Page Numbering, select Start At, then enter the number you want the new section to begin with. For example, if you want the new section to start at page 1, enter 1. Select OK to apply the change. The page number in the new section will now start with the number you entered, while the previous section keeps its original numbering. If the page number doesn't change as expected, make sure you're working inside the correct section and that Link to Previous has been turned off. This is important because linked headers and footers can continue using the formatting from the previous section. You can repeat this process whenever you need another part of the document to have its own page numbering sequence. Each new section can have its own starting number and numbering format. This method gives you much more control than manually typing page numbers, because Word automatically updates the numbering when pages are added or removed. Before finishing, review the pages around the section break to make sure the numbering is correct and that each section starts where you want it to. And that's it. You've now learned how to restart your page numbers in Microsoft Word by using section breaks and independent page numbering. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,